Hi there guys. So just go to Start, Computer, and then go to C, and go to XAMPP, and in XAMPP just go to htdocs, and then from here we're just going to create a folder. Just going to call it example. And we're going to go in the folder, and then we're going to create a file, PHP. So just file.php. And now we're just going to search localhost. And check what comes up. Yeah, then we're going to type the folder name in, example. Let that load, and we can see the index, the directory. Click on file, that's the PHP file that we created. Obviously it hasn't got anything in it, so it's blank. I'll just type it in here, so you can do it actually through here as well. Same thing. Yeah, I'll delete that. Actually, I'll just test it. Okay, so that's not in there, so that's what happens. And it's not existing. So we'll go and create index.php, an example. And that should replace the index directory. Okay. So we'll just refresh. And as you can see, that's loaded, so there's a blank screen there. Because there's nothing in index, but that replaces the directory index.